How to know if someone has blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can know if someone has blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. The first method is to search for their profile. In order to search, tap on the search bar and then simply type in their profile username. If someone has blocked you, their profile will not appear when you search for their username in the Instagram search bar. And if their account is deleted, their profile also won't appear in the search. You can always use another Instagram account, your friends, or a second account to search for their profile. If the profile shows up for others but not for you, that means you have been blocked by that account. But if the profile still does not show for anyone, that means the profile is deleted or deactivated. Now the second method is to check your chat history. You can always go to your chat page by tapping on the chat icon. And if you have been blocked, the conversation with the person will remain in your DMs, but their profile will disappear and won't be able to send them messages. Instead, you might see a user not found message on their account. Or in case if they have deleted their account, the conversation will still be in your DMs, but the account name might appear as an Instagram user and you won't be able to send any messages. So that was the second option. The third option is to check for any comments or tags. If you have been blocked, you won't be able to see their previous comments or likes on posts anymore, even on shared posts when they are interacted with others. And in case if they have deleted their account, the comments and tags might still appear as Instagram users. The third option or the another option is to use an alternate account. You can create a new account or use someone else's account to search for their profile. And at last, you can check their recent activity. If they had a public account, check recent hashtags or tagged photos where they might have appeared. If you find any activity, the account is not deleted, so you have been blocked. So these are the way to find out if you have been blocked or if they have deleted their Instagram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.